Hey Power Pro. I'm home.
Welcome back.
What's up everybody? It's Marcus Clark here at Johnston RV Center in Coleman, Alabama. We are standing inside of a 2025 Rockwood Geo Pro 19FD. These campers are coming equipped with the Power Pro control panel by WFCO. This is a super innovative control panel for an RV. It has voice commands. You can tell it to turn the lights on, turn the lights off, dim them for a movie. Hey Power Pro, swap to movie mode.
Enjoy the entertainment.
If you don't want to talk to it, you can actually do a lot of stuff from your phone as well. Connecting it to the control panel was very easy, but you can do each zone. You can dim the zones individually. You can even do stuff from like a maintenance standpoint, you know, turning on your water pump, turning on your water heater, gas or electric, and even turn on your tank heaters. Very cool stuff that they're doing on here, different modes, shows you your tank levels right at the top, and then you can also do the voice commands from your phone. You can tell it to check your tank levels. Hey Power Pro, check the black tank levels.
Your freshwater tank is empty. Gray tank is empty. Black tank is empty.
Whew, thank the Lord. You can control your awning from your phone. Oh, man, looks like it's about to rain. Let me roll this awning in. Really cool stuff by the Power Pro control panel by WFCO. Come check it out. Hey Power Pro.
Hi.
Goodbye.
I look forward to your return.